Hi, my name is Scott Gregory and I'm the Worldwide Portfolio Manager for HP's Retail Solutions. I'd like to introduce you to HP's newest all-in-one retail product, HP RP7 Retail System. HP has a significant investment in engineering, and part of that investment is not only in the design aspects, but also in the testing that we do. For the RP7 product in particular, there are a few unique tests we did above and beyond the traditional testing we do on our other point-of-sale platforms. One suite of tests we ran is really focused on ensuring that the hinge design on this product is reliable. We actually have a robot that's raising and lowering the hinge and tilting the display to ensure that it stands up to demanding environments. We have another robotic test that we run to simulate fingers pressing on the touchscreen. We've run that test for 3.5 million cycles, and after all those cycles, the product shows absolutely no wear. So we feel very confident that the product's going to be able to stand up to whatever demanding environment the customer has for it. With the RP7 retail system, we designed a unique dual hinge that allows a broad range of flexibility in the store environment. We learned from many customers that there is no one specific position that works well for all environments. So the product can be positioned at different tilt angles and different heights also. As you can see here with a dual hinge design, we're able to raise the screen up and tilt it. Additionally, we're able to lower the product all the way down in a very low profile configuration. And this really allows the product to get out of the line of sight between the associate and the store customer, which is something we heard a great deal during our focus groups and customer research that we did. The product also has an anti-glare coating on the screen to minimize reflections coming off any overhead lighting in a store environment. The HP RP7 retail system was designed to provide easy access to key components like memory, hard drive, and power supply. All the serviceability features are color-coded and toolless to make it extremely easy to service. To access the power supply, you simply disconnect AC power from the wall and remove the power supply cover. Also, you want to remove the I/O cover to access the DC power cord in the system. Once the power cord is completely disconnected, you simply pull the cable back through the chassis, pivot open the door that's holding in the power adapter, and then the whole power adapter can easily be removed from the system in a completely toolless manner. The power adapter is easily field replaceable. To put the new power adapter into the system, you simply slide it in, route the power cord through the chassis, close the door that secures the power adapter into place, route the cable up through the chassis, plug it in. You then just resecure the access panel. The last step is to secure the AC power cord and then reinstall the access cover over the power supply. Simply slides into place. So that's how the power adapter is serviceable in the field. To service the memory and the hard drive, you simply remove the rear I/O cover, disconnect the power. The access panel is easily removed by depressing buttons on either side of the system and simply raising it up. You depress the buttons, slide the back panel up, giving you access to the key components in the system. Hard drives can be easily accessed by pivoting back an access door, grabbing the pull tab on the drive, and simply removing it in a completely toolless fashion. The drive slides out and can be reinstalled in a similar fashion. The drive just slides back in, gets pressed into place, and then the access door gets rotated up. Once the rear access panel is off, it's very easy to access the memory modules in the RP7. You simply depress a lever, pivot down an access door, and the two memory modules are accessible up in the top of the system. You can then just use your fingers to access the memory. It's very easy to remove. Additional memory modules can be installed in a very straightforward manner by just flipping the memory module in, closing the access door. Once you've accessed the memory and the hard drive, the rear panel on the system can be installed simply by sliding it over the back of the unit and snapping it into place. Once the rear access panel is in place, you can reconnect the power cord and then simply reattach the I/O cover. With the HP RP7 Retail System, we're able to deliver a product that provides reliability, serviceability, and flexibility in a highly powerful retail system with an extended life cycle for demanding retail environments. If you'd like to learn more about the product, visit hp.com.